Hey everyone, this is Elle. I have an exciting review that I'm going to be doing for you guys this evening on a lip mask. So I'm not sure how many of you guys have used lip masks before. This is actually my first time, so I'm really stoked to do this. And this is a lip mask by a wonderful company called BeauteHacks. So BeauteHacks is a small business that specializes in making beauty products. So this is the lip mask and it's made of natural organic ingredients, guys, which is phenomenal. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply the peach lip mask, what the step-by-step process looks like, and then what the end results are going to be the next day. So one thing I really loved is that in the box that it came in, which is super cute, definitely check out the pictures. You have the benefits of using it. So it helps when it comes to moisture, softening and smoothing the lips, getting rid of the appearance of dry, chapped lips, as well as protecting them from free radicals and just making sure that they stay hydrated. So those are really great benefits. They also include instructions on how to use it. I'm going to walk you guys through that. And another thing the box came with is an applicator, complete in its silicone sleeve, so that's really cool. So now it's time to begin applying the lip mask. So the first thing you want to do is check the instructions, and if you haven't, before you apply the lip mask, you want to make sure that you've exfoliated your lips with like a face rag or whatever exfoliating tool you like to use, just to ensure that the product can be the most effective. So in the instructions, what you want to do is apply a generous layer on the lips and leave on overnight. So you don't want to wipe this off. Try not to eat it in your sleep. Thankfully it's natural ingredients, so if you find yourself accidentally going like, you should be okay. And then you want to remove it in the morning by wiping it off or simply by cleansing in the morning. So I'm going to be using the silicone here. Here is the mask, so you'll see it's pretty firm, and I'm just going to go ahead and dip it in. I'm going to start with my bottom lip, so I'm just going to apply it like so. It spreads really easily. It's nice and shiny too. And you can kind of see the cracks in my lips right now, so I'm stoked to see what this does in the morning. I have a little bit of residue, so I'm going to go ahead and go to the top one. And now I'll dip it out a little more. So you can see this is going to last a while, which is nice. This will not be a mask that you use it 2 times and it's gone. This will last you a little bit, which is great. So I'm noticing as I'm putting it on that it's very smooth. It feels like lip gloss and it smells really good. It's a nice light scent. The flavor is peach. So at the moment I'm just kind of letting it absorb. It feels like, honestly, like I put on a mix of lip gloss and chapstick. It feels pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this back up. So one thing I would definitely say is it spreads pretty smoothly, so you don't necessarily have to like heap a whole bunch of it onto your silicone applicator. I'm gonna make sure to get the corners though. Like it will spread, so you don't have to worry about that. Definitely make sure you get your lip line, top and bottom, and you're good to go. So you can like grab like a little tissue to wipe any excess off the silicone applicator, and then from there they have a little pouch and you can just store it back in the pouch for the next time. So that is step number 1. So at this point I'm going to get ready for bed, and then when I come back in the morning I'm going to show you guys what the results are, but already I can feel a nice cooling sensation on my lips. They feel pretty relaxed, so I'm excited to see what the results are going to be like in the morning. So stay tuned.